Welcome to the Beauty Leaf. Today I have the big honor to sit next to my friend Dr. Patricia Ogilvie. She is one of the top dermatologists in the world. She is traveling around, I think, literally every week. She's on congresses, she's talking about every new aspect in terms of beauty. She's, I think, one of the most incredible doctors in this world today. She's a mother, a working woman, a superwoman in my opinion, and she opened a new space in Munich, and it's called the Skinconcept Bodylounge. So, Patricia, I'm so happy that you're here today.
I'm glad to have you here, Sabine. It's a great honor for us.
And so, tell us, what is this place all about?
You know, we are in this aesthetic medicine field for so long, and we are seeing patients partially for a decade or longer, and we, as I say, we age together. We age gracefully, and we let them participate in all the latest advancements and new trends in the aesthetic medicine field. We have realized that everything that is concerned around the body needs a space of its own. When people grow up to the wrinkles in their face and they are happy to talk about it and they open up about it when they come to us, when it comes to body shape and contour and everything that is related to the body, it is a little bit more shame, guilt connoted. So we realized we need a safe room for everything that has to do with the body and its problems and its little problematic zones, as we call them.
Patricia owns 2 clinics in Munich. When she's here, I mean, everybody's really happy because like I said, she's traveling around a lot. So whenever she's here and she's taking care of her patients, she normally, as I know you, is an expert of Botox and fillers, and she really makes women look natural and beautiful. I think this is so great, the job you're doing, because you're not like any other doctors where people are scared to not look like themselves. So as we had a little tour just before, and this beautiful clinic, it's gorgeous, it's just open, and as you see, everything is gold, you immediately feel home. You said when you come here you have a space now for the body. So when you talked about it, we got the information that there are certain, I don't know how to say it, I mean, not knowing this is a little machine which helps to form your body. If somebody never heard about this, how does this work and what do you do here exactly?
This machine freezes fat away. As simple as that may sound, it's anything but trivial, but it really works. So it was invented and developed by a physicist 15 years ago in the US, and it is FDA, which is the American approval institution. It is FDA approved, so it's proven to be safe and efficient. It's a machine that applies cold through the skin right into little stubborn fat depots and just melts this fat away.
Does this work on every body type?
It does work on every body type. It works on the fat type which is right underneath your skin. So it needs to be we call it squeezable fat. Mm-hmm. We say if you can squeeze it, I can freeze it.
Oh,
it needs to be pinchable fat.
Okay.
What we cannot melt away, and that's for the good, is intra-abdominal fat, which we call the beer belly in Bavaria. Mm-hmm. So we know that this is fat that lays way beyond the reach of this machine.
Mm-hmm. All right. So let's say you just had a baby or your body changes when you get older. You said something really beautiful. I would be the same person if I had a baby, my body changed, I'm getting older, I'm often thinking, oh, if I would be better, if I would eat less, my body would look better. I would always feel a little ashamed just to really drop my clothes and say, okay, this is how I look, can we do something about it? Why can people feel safe in your space?
I think because we really understand you. We have empathy for your concerns because we know them so well. We know them by ourselves.
You are a mother too, right?
I am a mother, I'm a working mom. I have a subscription to the gym which I never use. So I perfectly understand, I perfectly hear you. If I would only have more time to be more disciplined, I would look better. This is something nobody needs to be ashamed of. We have a solution for you and here we are.
And price point. I think a lot of girls would probably think, okay, this is not affordable, this is way above anything I can do. So if somebody is on a budget, is that something which is out of reach, or do you have a certain plan or certain system to make this possible for, let's say, a different type of women?
We do. We do have, of course, financing plans. We do have packages. It doesn't make sense to split it up into two small parts of the program because then you won't have the fullness of the beneficial effect. But of course we have packages, and we call the packages XS, S, M, L, XL, depending on the size of the area that you want to treat and depending on your individual budget at the very time and day that you check in our clinic.
And let's say you're really, really busy. You have no time, you're a traveling person, you're very, occupied with your job, and you want a fast result with little time. Is that possible as well?
It definitely is. It's a procedure that, as a procedure, does not require any downtime. That means we have patients flying in from Moscow, checking in, coming in the morning, leaving in the evening, and having their full body sculpted. Until you see the result, it may take 6 to 8 weeks to set on, but they can fly out the next morning. So you don't have any downtime, which is the clear advantage over any surgical procedure that this can clearly compete with. The original Coolsculpting is not the cheap little sister of liposuction, it's the non-surgical alternative to liposuction.
Amazing. Patricia, thank you so much for opening this space for a lot of women. I'm sure there's going to be so many patients who will come here and you will make them feel more happy and more beautiful and more just, how do you say it? Stronger in life.
Stronger in life, we want you to be able to love yourself. That's our goal, that's our intention, that's our aim, and that's what we are here for, with all our capacity.
Amazing. I'll definitely come back with Vicky and we will do another visit here in the clinic, so you can write us anything you want to know and we will go more into detail. So next time we come here, we'll show you all the rooms, how it gets done, and we'll definitely ask a lot more questions. And we're so excited that Munich has a new place for being beautiful with such an amazing woman.
Thank you so much. We like to share the patient journey with you. Welcome back anytime.
Bye guys.